Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am bringing you guys this neon yellow look. I put a hint of blue on it. I know that I haven't posted in a minute, but I'm going to try to be more consistent. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Thank you. So I went into my 39A Dare to Create palette from Morphe, and I went ahead and put this light orange shade into my crease and on my outer lid. Here I just went around my brow bone with a skin tone shade to clean up the orange. Now I'm going to take these brown shades from the same palette and I'm going to apply that to the outer end of my crease. Now I'm going to take this deep purple and still apply it to the same area I applied that brown to deepen up the color. Now I'm going to take my P. Louise base, it's the white base, and I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm going to take this berry shade and a burnt orange shade and apply that at the end of my outer lid. Now I'm going to place that neon yellow shade all over my lid. I'm not sure where this neon yellow shade is from. I believe it's just like a beauty store that was reselling neon pigments. So I'm going to go back in with that burnt orange shade and the magenta shade to go ahead and blend out that neon yellow. And then I'll take my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette and use the deepest purple to also blend it out on my outer lid. So I'm going to apply some liner. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner, and I'm just going to apply that on the top lash line. The lashes I'll be using today are Beauty by Patricia lashes in the style Drama. So I've already applied my foundation. I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Translucent Powder and the Juvia's Place Kalahari Powder. So I'm going to contour my nose with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty, and then I'm going to wipe away the rest of that powder. For blush, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio palette in Cocktail Party. So before I put on my highlighter, I'm going to use this Morphe Continuous Misting Spray, and then I'm going to use the Juvia's Place highlighter in the Royalty 2. I also went ahead and used this shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette just to add a little bit of more warmth to my look. Moving on to my lower lash line, I applied this NYX eyeliner as a base, and then I put on Molly and Zola from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. For lips, I went ahead and lined my lips with a brown eyeshadow, and then I applied ABH's Sepia liquid lipstick. I also decided to add a little bit of Starfish by ABH on the middle of my lips to add an ombre effect. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed. I really appreciate you guys supporting me even though I'm not the most consistent. Please watch another video, like this video, comment down below if you guys want to see any looks. If you guys comment, I will make the looks, okay? I will not let you down. All right, see you guys later. Bye.